The body gets rid of toxins in three main ways: through the digestive system, the kidneys, and the skin. But sometimes this process can be accelerated by drinking certain detox juices. These natural drinks are made with ingredients that have a diuretic effect, which increases urine production and flushes out toxins from the body. They also contain antioxidants and nutrients that help to neutralize harmful substances and reduce inflammation. Here are the top 6 detox juices for weight loss. Number 1. Beetroot juice. This is one of the best juices for flushing toxins from the liver. Beetroot is a natural diuretic, and it also contains betalains, which are pigments that give it its red color and have been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and protecting against cellular damage. Just take one medium beetroot, wash it thoroughly, peel it, and extract the juice with the help of a juicer or blender. You may also add other vegetables or fruits like carrot, apple, or lemon to make the juice tastier. The ideal time to drink this juice is early in the morning on an empty stomach. 2. Cucumber and celery juice. Celery has a natural diuretic effect on the body, which helps to flush out toxins from the kidneys and the urinary tract. It's also rich in sodium clusters, which are electrolytes that help to balance fluid levels in the body. Cucumbers, on the other hand, contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Plus, they're also a good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. To prepare this juice, take 4 to 5 stalks of celery and 1 large cucumber, wash them properly, cut them into pieces, and then extract the juice with the help of a juicer or blender. For a more intense detoxifying effect, you may also add a few mint leaves to the mix. The best time to drink this juice is mid-morning as a mid-morning snack. No. 3. Green apple and spinach juice. Apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that acts as a natural cleanser for the digestive system. It binds to toxins in the gut and helps to eliminate them from the body. Spinach, on the other hand, is a good source of chlorophyll, which is a pigment that gives plants their green color and has been shown to have detoxifying effects on the body. Chlorophyll has the ability to bind to heavy metals and other environmental toxins, helping to remove them from the body. Take 1 green apple, remove the seeds, and chop it into pieces. Then take 2 cups of spinach, wash it properly, and chop it into pieces. Then extract the juice with the help of a juicer or blender. You may also add some water to adjust the consistency of the juice. The best time to drink this juice is early in the evening, as it can aid digestion and promote better sleep. Number 4. Carrot and orange juice. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, which is a form of vitamin A that has antioxidant properties. Beta-carotene helps to protect the body against cellular damage caused by toxins. It also has been shown to support healthy vision and skin. Oranges, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin C, which is another powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C helps to boost the immune system and protect against infectious diseases. It also aids in iron absorption, which is important for preventing anemia. To prepare this juice, take 3 to 4 carrots and 1 orange, wash them thoroughly, and chop them into pieces. Then extract the juice with the help of a juicer or blender. Add some water if needed, and the ideal time to drink this juice is mid-afternoon when hunger strikes. No. 5. Ginger and pineapple juice. Ginger has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that helps to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can help to protect the liver and other organs from damage caused by toxins. Pineapple, on the other hand, contains bromelain, an enzyme that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Bromelain also aids in digestion by breaking down protein and reducing inflammation in the gut. Take ½ an inch of fresh ginger root and 1 cup of pineapple chunks. Wash them properly and extract the juice with the help of a juicer or blender. If the juice is too thick, you may add some water to it. The best time to drink this juice is after a meal, as it can aid digestion. And no. 6. Watermelon and basil juice. Watermelons are high in lycopene, a carotenoid that has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Lycopene is also responsible for the red color of watermelon, and it helps to protect the body from cellular damage caused by free radicals. Basil, on the other hand, is a herb that contains a variety of antioxidants and essential oils. These compounds help to reduce inflammation and promote healthy blood circulation. Take 2 cups of watermelon cubes and 10 to 15 basil leaves, wash them properly, cut them into pieces, and extract the juice with the help of a juicer or blender. Add some water if needed, and the ideal time to drink this juice is during a hot summer day. In addition to these 6 juices, there are a few other things that you can do to support your body's natural detoxifying processes. First, make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body through urination. You should also eat a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods contain antioxidants and fiber that can help to neutralize toxins and eliminate them from the body. Finally, get regular exercise as it can help to increase circulation and promote sweating, which is another way that the body gets rid of toxins. It is important to note that while detox juices can be helpful for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, they are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with your doctor before adding detox juices to your diet. With that said, here are a few more things to keep in mind when it comes to detox juices. First, it's important to choose organic produce whenever possible to avoid harmful pesticides and herbicides. You should also try to use locally sourced ingredients that are in season, as they will be more nutrient-dense when preparing detox juices. It is best to use a high-quality juicer or blender that can extract the juice without damaging the produce. This will help to preserve the nutrients and enzymes in the juice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.